Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you black box free AI coding setup with Kimike 2.6. I have already installed VS Code on this PC. Open VS Code. Go to extensions. Go to search. Type black box. Select black box AI. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Blackbox AI Coding Agent is an AI-powered software development assistant that can do much more than autocomplete code. It's act like virtual developer that can understand a project, make changes across multiple files, run tests, debug issues, and help automate development tasks. Now Blackbox is installed. Blackbox AI. Click continue for free. Blackbox in your IDE, click next. Chat with Blackbox, click next, click next, click continue, click mark done. Go to Explorer, click open folder, select documents, click new folder, set folder name Blackbox -project, select folder, click black box, select AI model. As you can see, Blackbox provides two free models, Minimax 2.7 and Kimike 2.6. I will select Kimike 2.6. Type here, create a simple Hello World web page using HTML. Hit enter. Blackbox AI is thinking. Blackbox has question. Approve creating hello-world-web-index.html containing the hello world HTML page. This means it's create a new folder under Blackbox project and save index.html on this folder. Simply just type create, hit enter. As you can see, web page code is generating. Task completed. Minimize VS Code. Go to this PC. Click Documents. Open Blackbox-project folder. Open this folder. Double click on index.html. Click just once. Now you can see the web page, Hello World page. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up free AI coding setup using Blackbox with Kimike 2.6 free model. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.